Students, this is the second video on in-text problems, and the first one is convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. We have discussed in theory that to convert temperature from Kelvin to Celsius, we have to separate it by a factor 273. So you will got your answer by subtracting both the temperatures by 273. 300 minus 273, and your answer will be 27 degrees Celsius. Similarly, for 573 Kelvin, you will subtract 273 and you will got your answer 300 degrees Celsius. Next, what is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius? At 250 degrees Celsius, water will be in gaseous state. And secondly, at 100 degrees Celsius, both liquid and gaseous state will be present there, because at this temperature the water will convert from liquid to gaseous state. Now, third one, for any substance, why does the temperature remain constant during change of state? This is because, students, the heat supplied to the substance is used to overcome the force of attraction between the particles of that substance. Moving to the fourth, suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. The way to liquefy atmospheric gases is applying high pressure and low temperature. Next is, why does a desert cooler cools better on a hot dry day? Students, on a hot dry day there are two factors. Firstly, the temperature is very high. Second, humidity is very low. Both these factors enhance the rate of evaporation, and if the rate of evaporation increases, definitely the rate of cooling will be better. Moving to the next one, how does the water kept in an earthen pot, matka, become cool during summer? Students, the earthen pot has very small, it has tiny pores, and from these tiny pores the water comes outside and it take heat from the surface of the matka and get evaporates. As the water get evaporates, it also takes the heat from the water in the matka, and that is why the water inside it got cooler. You must have understood that an earthen pot has small pores on its wall. When water is poured into it, some of it seep through these pores to outside surface and get evaporates. The heat required for evaporation, definitely that is taken from the earthen pot and from water in it, and water gets cooler. Now, third one, why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Students, acetone, petrol or perfume, these three things, they are the substances which are highly inflammable. Their ignition temperature is very low. It means that with having small amount of heat, they can evaporate. When you put these things on your palm, they absorbs the heat from your palm and get evaporates. And as evaporation cause cooling, you feel your palm feel cold. Now, the fourth one, why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? This is because of the surface area. More the surface area, more will be the evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases with the surface area. As the rate of evaporation has increases, this will result into more cooling. Now lastly, what type of clothes should we wear in summer? The answer is, a student, during summer we perspire more due to the body mechanism to keep it cool. Cotton is a good absorber of water. It absorbs the sweat and exposes it to the atmosphere. This speeds up evaporation of sweat and causes cooling. This make us feel comfortable. That is why we should wear cotton clothes during summer. That's all students. We have solved all the in-text problems.